In this video, I'll show you how to make a professional CV with AI in just 5 minutes. It's quick, simple, and anyone can do it. No design skills or long steps, just a clean CV that looks ready to send. Step 1. Open ChatGPT and type your details, your name, contact info, education, skills, and work experience. Then add this line. Write a professional one-page CV using my details. Keep it short, clear, and job-ready. ChatGPT will instantly create your CV text. If it's too long, just say, make it 1 page. Once it looks good, copy it. Step 2. Go to canva.com and search for resume. You'll see lots of templates. Choose one that looks simple and clean. Click to open it. If you don't have an account, sign up free. It takes a few seconds. Step 3. Replace the sample name with yours, then paste the text you copied from ChatGPT. Fix the spacing, adjust font sizes, and make sure everything fits nicely on 1 page. Keep it neat and easy to read. You can change colors if you want, but don't overdo it. Step 4. Look over your CV one last time, check for spelling, layout, and contact details. When everything looks perfect, click Share Download PDF, Print. That's it, your professional CV made with AI is ready to send. Quick, easy, and done.